Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells. I just have a quick video for you today with a BOLO, which stands for Be on the Lookout. I'm working through my top 100 items to sell on eBay playlist. So if you are looking for a quick way to learn what to look for that is high dollar, you'll want to spend some time watching that playlist. I have the link to that right above and also below the video. So what we're talking about today is the Ikea Jonsberg Vase. And if we go over to Etsy, there's one for sale there for $299. This person had some great photos. So you can see it's a pink vase with gold flowers. There's the Ikea logo on the bottom. And you can see on one side here, there it is. The flowers aren't even colored in. So they go from gold to just the outline of the flowers. This vase is also for sale on Sothebys, or Sotheby's, I think is pronounced, the famous auction site. It is listed at $950 there. Probably won't get that on eBay, but this is just to show you that it is a high dollar item and this is a reputable site. So if it is for sale there priced this high, you just never know. Maybe they're holding out, or this is for people that don't shop on eBay that will pay more for things. So if we go over to eBay and we do a quick search for just Ikea vase, I didn't even put the complete name of it in there. There it is right at the top. Someone's got it for $499, and that is an international listing. It's from Luxembourg. And then there's another version of it that is black with, looks like some kind of winged creature on it. Doesn't sell for as much, but look at your screen and look at what these look like, because you never know when you're going to come across this somewhere. People clean out their homes all the time, or it's in a state of a deceased person and stuff gets donated. It happens all the time. You just never know when something's going to pop up in front of you. So let's go to the sold listings so you can see what these actually sell for. And not a whole lot of solds because it is more of a rare item, but people do find them. So this one here sold for $269.99. And then the black one, let's see what that went for. Go to the original listing, and then we're going to pull up watch count, where you can plug in the item number and get the exact price. So there's the item number hidden down here just above the description area, and we're going to plug that in, and it shows it went for $169, which still is not bad for a vase. So there's what that one looks like, and I've got a photo here of the two of them side by side. This is what you're looking for. If you're not looking at your screen, take a look at this so that you will remember what these look like. And sometimes these types of vases are in the area with the planters at the thrift store, like the plant containers. They could be anywhere in the junk in the back. So you just want to have a visual of what to look for so that when you're out there you can find these things quickly. And I always try to choose items to share with you that are visually unique, that you know when you see it. Sure, plain white vases sell all the time, but this is something that's going to jump off the shelf at you that you're going to recognize immediately if you've been watching my videos. This is the kind of information you get as a member of my premium content library, which now has almost 50 hours of information for you to learn how to do eBay better. I have all these different courses that explain what to sell, what not to sell, how to clean things, where to find things. tricks and tips on how to do eBay faster and better. One section that's very popular is the things to sell section, where I have several monthly series including niche items where I explain exactly what's selling now, what these things are, what they look like, how much you can make selling them. I also have downloadable shopping lists that have logos and labels of clothing items and non-clothing items that you can print out and look at to help you source faster and find those items that will make you more money faster. So I encourage you to come join, even if it's just for a month, to see what's in there. You can download every single thing to your computer and watch it later if you want to. There's no pressure to stay, but there is so much information in here that is not on YouTube that's going to help you with your business, and it's a really low price of $20 a month. With that, you also get unlimited email support with me anytime you have a question, problem, frustration, issue with a customer, anything you need help with your eBay business. I am there for you. So I encourage you to go check that out and join for a month. And thanks again for watching. Have a profitable and productive day on eBay. Bye.